Do you know many people are having trouble with cleaning their HP printer's printhead? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Load paper. Begin by loading plain white paper into your printer's input tray. Step 2. Access settings. Access the printer control panel and open the maintenance settings. Step 3. Select Clean. Navigate to Printer Maintenance and select Clean Printhead. Step 4. Start cleaning. Let the printer perform the automatic cleaning process. Step 5. Review results. Review the diagnostic page to assess print quality improvement. By following these steps, you should achieve improved print quality on your printer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There, you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.